Hello YouTube, this is my 2014 Sabrosa bike check. Well, overall I think it's a really good bike. Had it for a month or two now, and it's still pretty good. Well, I'm going to start from the front of the bike, to the middle, and then all the way to the back. Well, I'm going to be getting new parts from dancecomp.com and albies.com, and I'll show you an unboxing then. Well, here's my front rim hub. It's a Rant one. I got Rant rim, wheels and everything. Then tire, Rant. Then I have my Sabrosa green forks. Sabrosa stem. Oh, you guys probably can't see it, but I'll check. It's Shadow Conspiracy grips and bar ends. Went with brakes. Green handlebars. The Sabrosa frame. I just got the Rant. Oh, you guys can't see that. Let it focus. Well, whatever. Rant, 3-piece cranks. Rant pedals. Well, my friend gave me the white pedal. He's gonna give me a purple one. I don't know why, but whatever. I got a. Hold on, let me get back over there. I got a stem. Sprocket silver. It's a normal silver chain. The other pedal. The back hub. Rant and everything. I'll show you the seat. I got a Rant seat clamp, Sabrosa post and everything. And hold on, I'm gonna show you guys the seat. Well, here's the seat. It's their Sabrosa logo. It's very comfortable. I think it's really good. Here's the stem. Hold on. It says Sabrosa. I got the handlebars. There's some little scratches every day near. I got a scratch here. I've only had this bike for a month or two. Well, I really think it's a really good bike, like I said earlier. Sabrosa stickers. Also, I'm going to be getting a Dance Comp and Albies unboxing for me and my brother. And, well, that's it. Like, rate, subscribe.